Hey guys, Chris Cusimano here with Keller Williams Realty, and you're probably wondering why I'm in a mortgage office right now. Well, I'm going to tell you the 3 most expensive mistakes people make when obtaining a mortgage. Let's begin. Number 1, not getting pre-approved properly. With the Matt Weaver team at Cross Country Mortgage, you don't have to worry about that. They get it done right, they get it done quickly, and they do it the right way. And number 2 is not being aware of your closing costs, your total down payment, and your loan program until it's too late. And number 3 is hiring a mortgage professional who doesn't treat you like family. Instead, they treat you like a number and they just don't care. They seem to care more about their bottom line than about yours. And just to recap, guys, the 3 most common mistakes home buyers make when purchasing a home are 1, not getting pre-approved before going out home shopping. 2, not knowing what your closing costs are, what your down payment's gonna be, or even what type of loan program that you're doing. And 3, hiring a mortgage professional that cares more about their bottom line than yours. To avoid all these mistakes and many others, I'll send you a free copy of my book, The Common Mistakes First-Time Home Buyers Make and How to Avoid Them. All you have to do is click on the link below to get your copy today.